What's up guys, have you ever wondered what will happen if you blowtorch cotton candy? One way to find out. So we got here cotton candy, let's open it up. Ooh, look at that deliciousness. It's pretty much packed, let's open it up a little bit. So as you can see we got here beautiful tasty cotton candy. Alright guys, there goes nothing. Whoa! Let's look at this close up. That's so beautiful. Melts like butter. Melted into liquid sugar. Well guys, there you go. That smells so beautifully. I don't know why is this so satisfying when it smells so nicely and easily. Well, let me know in comments below what do you think. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.